welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul. Sorry for doing this video so late. Today is my birthday and we went out to eat with Graham's parents. We went to their house and just hung out, and now I'm finally be able to do the video. I did go shopping early this morning, but I have to edit these videos, and these videos usually take like 2 hours to do, so I just am like, whatever, I'm gonna go have fun and then edit. So I had a confusing haul at CVS. It ended up becoming a great moneymaker. I got everything for free, plus I made an extra. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got. I just want to say thanks to everybody who has already wished me a happy birthday between on YouTube and Instagram. It's awesome. I feel awesome. I'm a little princess. So wanted to share with you guys on that. But I'm here to share with you guys what I bought at CVS. Now, I had a ton of personal CRTs, so I'm going to kind of mention what I used, but I'm going to not give you guys the breakdown for all of those because some it's just confusing. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up on that. But what I ended up getting is the Scope mouthwash. Now these were $4.99. You guys use that $1 off coupon. But I also had a deal where you guys could do this with 3 of them. I ended up buying 4. I don't know why I bought 4. It's still a pretty good deal even with 4 of them, but it's a pretty good deal with 3 of them. So I had a 4 off of 14 CRT for toothbrushes, toothpaste, mouthwash. So I decided to use that. I ended up getting 2 of the Scopes, and I got 2 of these toothbrushes. So I wanted to share with you guys with these. So I got 2 of each. Now you guys can get away with getting just 1 Scope if you guys want, but what I ended up doing is that 4 off of 14 CRT. If you guys buy all 4, you guys would pay $12.36. If you guys bought only 3 of them, you guys would pay $8.37. You would get $3 back in an ECB times 2, plus you guys would get a $2 ECB times 2 or 1 in the I forgot what I was gonna say. What was I gonna say? You guys will get a $2 ECB for that. I don't know what I was going to say. But you guys can also get a $1 rebate on Ibotta. It is only for 1 item. It's not for 2. So you guys would get $1 with that. But if you guys bought all 4, you guys would end up paying $1.36 for all 4 items. If you guys ended up getting all 3 of them, it'd actually become a moneymaker. It would be like a 72-cent moneymaker, I think, or something like that. So if you guys are interested in that, I wanted to share with you guys on that. Now I had 1 card. I used 2 cards, but that card, I just had so many of those coupons, otherwise I would have done that transaction again. Now I did the Swab Deal. No, one of my cards I just did the Swab Deal by itself. These were 2 for $6. You guys want to use that 3 off of 2 coupon that we just got that expires today. So I'm not going to do the breakdown for this because it expires today and most of you guys have done your shopping already. But these were 3. You want to use that 3 off of 2 coupon. You guys would end up paying $3 for this, and then you guys would get a $2 ECB back, making them just 50 cents a piece. But if you guys have that 2 off of 2 CRT, I had a 2 off of 2 Swab. So what I ended up doing is paying $1 out of pocket after the coupon and the CRT. You guys would get a $2 ECB back. You guys would end up getting this for $1 moneymaker. So I did it in both transactions to show you guys both deals. It's up to you guys what you guys want to do. Okay. The next deal I did was the Kotex. Now I just did the Kotex Deal. These were $4.79. It was buy one get one 50% off. I used that 3 off of 2 coupon that we had. You guys would just pay $4.18 for the both of these. But then you guys will end up getting a $2 back ECB, making them $2.18 or just like $1.09 a piece. Not the greatest deal, but I still wanted to share with you guys with that in case you guys need some feminine products. Alright, my nose itches all of a sudden. the LOreal deal. Now, there's a deal where if you guys do the L'Oreal and the Garnier Fructis, you guys can do those and get them all for free. Well, I don't have those Garnier coupons. I do the L'Oreal. So what I ended up doing is I got the L'Oreal Paris shampoo and conditioner. So this was 2 off of 8. I used that 3 off of 2 coupon that we got from last weekend. I also had a 2 off of 2 L'Oreal CRT, and then I also had a 3 off of 2, and then I had a 2 off of 2. So I had a lot of CRTs for this. So I ended up getting, and then there was that 3 off of 3, which I used towards it also, but I bought some Maybelline to kind of make up for it. But if you guys just bought the L'Oreal and you had all those CRTs, it ended up becoming a $2 moneymaker. So $2 moneymaker. But then I ended up doing the Maybelline deal. Now these were $3.99 a piece, and if you bought 2, you got $5. So for you guys would buy these, the $3.99. I also had a 2 off of 12 cosmetics. You guys, I'm so like not trying to confuse you guys, but I had so many personal CRTs. But you guys would end up paying $7.98 if you did not have that CRT. But then you guys will get $5 back ECB, making it $2.98. Now if you guys bought all 4 of these together, it comes out to be $1/4 a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. So if you guys want to do that. Now I ended up doing that in both of my transactions because I did not want to pass up some L'Oreal coupons. And I haven't gotten Maybelline eyeshadow for a while, so I wanted to show you guys that deal. Now, like I said, I had several L'Oreal CRTs and I had several makeup CRTs, and I'll go through everything what I had on each card. I ended up doing the Pantene Pro V deal. Now it says spend 20, you get $5. So what I ended up doing is I bought 6 of these, 3 for $12. That was 24 bucks. I used 2 5 off of 3 coupons. I also had a 3 off of 18 it was a 3 off of 18 Pantene, and then I had a 4 off of 18 shampoo and conditioner. So I ended up paying $7 for all 6 items. I got $5 back in an ECB, so that comes out to be just $2 for all 6 of them. I think that is an awesome deal. So I went Pantene crazy. So yes, I got 6 of those. I ended up getting, and now I ended up doing the Physicians Formula because, I don't know, I'm going to try their eyeliner. But these were $5.99 a piece. It says if you spend, or buy 2, I think is what it was. You buy 2, you get a $10 ECB. So these were $5.99. I had a 4 off of 15 CRT for makeup, and then my other card I had a 2 off of 12. So, but we're not going to figure out the CRTs because it just is so much CRTs. But you guys would pay $11.98 for both of these. Then you guys would get that $10 ECB, making it just $1.98. So that comes out to be just like 99 cents a piece. And I ended up doing that in both of my transactions because I wanted to get some eyeliner, so I got some pretty decent eyeliner. I ended up doing the CoverGirl deal. Now again, I had lots of CRT, so I just combined it. She's like, you have $24 or $28 worth of makeup? I'm like, yup. So I will be definitely hitting beauty this week between the shampoo that I got and all the makeup that I bought. So these were, this was $5.99 and this was $6.29. It was spend 12. You guys would get $4 of ECB. I used 2 of those $3 off coupons that we had from coupons.com. You guys would just pay $6.28. Now please keep in mind I did have cosmetic CRTs, so I didn't truly pay for that. You guys would end up getting $4 back in an ECB, making it just $2.28 for the both of these. So I'm like, that's an okay deal. So got that on both of those deals. Wanted to share with you guys on that. So yes, I did get a lot of makeup. That was actually my haul. I got a lot of doubles and I got some deals. I wanted to do a couple more, but I didn't have the correct coupons for it, and I was already there for like an hour and a half, so there was that. But with my old card, I'm going to tell you guys what I paid, but first I'm going to tell you all the CRTs I had. Okay, you guys ready? So my old card, I ended up having a 5 off of 40 CRT. Now I always have them scan that first right at the beginning. I had a 4 off of 18 shampoo. I had a 4 off of 14 Crest, like toothpaste, Oral-B, all that stuff. I had a 3 off of 2 L'Oreal, a 3 off of 3, a 2 off of 2 all L'Oreal, and then I had a 2 off of 12 cosmetics, and I had a 4 off of 15 cosmetics. That was just for one card itself. My new card, I ended up having a 4 off of 30 CRT. I had a 4 off of 15 cosmetic, a 3 off of 2, a 2 off of 3, a 3 off of 3, and a 2 off of 2 CRTs. So those are all the CRTs. I just wanted to use a lot of the shampoo and cosmetics. I haven't been able to get some good deals lately, so I wanted to do that. Okay, now with my total. My old card, my total came to 60 cents. 60 cents out of pocket. That was awesome. I ended up using $32 worth of ECBs to pay for everything. But then I ended up receiving $31 back, so I did lose $1. But with Ibotta, I gained $1 because of the Ibotta with the mouthwash. And then I did scan my reward on Fetch Reward, so I ended up getting 61 points. But that ended up becoming 60 cents for my whole transaction, and that was, I think it was like 20 items, I think. Yeah. Or no. Yeah, I don't remember anymore. It's crazy. My new total, or my new card, I ended up paying 72 cents out of pocket. I ended up using $17 of ECBs, but then I received $23 back in ECBs. I ended up getting more points for Fetch Rewards. So that was a $5.28 moneymaker. So I think I got more than 22 items. Maybe I got 22 items. I don't remember. It seems like I got more than that, but whatever. I got 22 items for $4.68, all for free, and I made some money. I think that is an awesome haul. I just wanted to share with you guys what I got at CVS. I hope you guys enjoy it. I haven't had an awesome week at CVS in a long time, so really hope you guys enjoy this haul. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.